Yeah, in this particular case, if you will see, this one is actually giving one error. That is for the current dot next. And you know why it is actually happening? That is because we are not including it in our else part. So it should be like this. Let me just align my code properly. So it should be actually the part of your else. Now if I will run, you can see now we are getting to see the values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me add few more nodes because now I'm going to be performing some condition checks. So at that particular time, I will be needing lots of nodes. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's run and see the output. So if you will see, now it is printing all the nodes of your linked list. But what the condition was there? It was saying you have to print even number of nodes divisible by 3. So let's address it one after the another. So when we are going to be printing our nodes, what we will be doing, we are just going to be performing a check where it is going to be checking for your current element that if it is divisible by, if it is divisible by 2 or not. If it is going to be divisible by 2, what does it mean? It means that it is going to be a even one, right? So let me just put this particular statement inside this. Now if I will run it, you can see now it is just going to be printing all your even nodes. But what the question was entirely, that you print all the nodes which are divisible by, which are even and divisible by 3. So you know we have to add one more condition. That one is going to be for divisibility by 3. Now if we will run, you can see the output for the same, that only 6 is getting printed because out of all the values only 6 was the one which was actually divisible by 3 plus it was a even one. Let me add one more, 12. Now if you will run, you can see 6 and 12 are getting printed because 12 is divisible by 3 plus it is a even number. All right. What is the next condition which they added? That if no such element is there, in such a case, you have to print that list is empty. So, you know, for that, what I will be doing, I'm just going to be taking one variable here, and that variable is flag. Some flag I'm going to be taking, initializing it to false. So when we are going to be entering inside this condition, that means it is actually satisfying our condition, right? So in such a case, I'm going to be setting this flag to true. And later on, what I will be doing, like, let's come here. I'm just going to be checking for my flag. If the flag is going to be equal to false, what you will have to do, you just have to console out empty list. One way is by taking a flag, another way is by taking a count. I actually find this one easier, so I'm opting it. It's up to you. Like even the count is easier. I'm not saying that is not easier. It's just I've going for this particular one. Now let us run and see the output. So if you will see right now, it is not creating any issue. Let me make it as this particular one. I'm going to make it as 11 and that one I made at 16. So now we know we do not have any of the element in our entire list, which is even at the same time divisible by 3. So now if I will run, you can see it is printing empty list. So I hope with this help, with the help of this example, it must be clear to you. Now we are going to be closing this session. So happy learning, guys. Bye-bye.